burning files to a CD or DVD using Nero 7. Don't forget you can pause this video at any time and practice for yourself. However, I do recommend playing it through once first to get a clear overview of what you're trying to achieve. Let's go. Down here is the icon for Nero 7. Yours may be in the Start menu or on your desktop. Locate and click. You will be presented with the Nero wizard. Up here is the option to select between CD and DVD. I'm using a CD today. Here are the options for data, audio, photos and videos, backing up and extras. Today I wish to burn data files to my CD. So by selecting data, I have this option, Make Data CD, and click. You will be presented with the File menu. Consider this to be similar to Windows Explorer. By selecting Add, we may select from the files on my computer to add to the CD. I'm going to pick some at random. I shall have this one, and maybe this one. I can also add files in group. For example, clicking the first file, holding Shift on my keyboard, clicking the last file, and letting go of Shift. Notice all of these files will be added. I'm done with files. If I wish to delete any files, simply select the file itself, then delete. This bar shows you how much room you've used currently out of your allocated 700 megabytes. DVDs hold much more than this. The green bar shows I haven't used much at all. These files must be small in file size. That's fine. I shall still go ahead and burn. Next. Here, disk name, I will select Ryan's Backup. Number of copies, 1. I can increase or decrease like so. This is an important option, verify data on disk after burning. If it is checked, Nero will double check the data burnt to your disk to ensure that there are no errors. Bear in mind it will take twice as long to burn with this option checked. Allow files to be added later. Well, that's okay. I've got all the files I want to be burnt. I shall leave this option unchecked. Let's go to burn. My CD drawer's just opened, prompting me for a disk. In it goes. There's no need to click. Nero detects the disk automatically and begins burning. This shows you the writing speed. We have a progress bar telling you how much it's done. Some things to think about. The more data that you've allocated to the CD, the longer this process will take. Sometimes, for example, when burning images, audio, or video, Nero may have to perform some kind of conversion. If that is the case, this process will take a little longer. Notice here, verifying the completion. This is checking to see if the files are correct. Data verification completed. The CD is opened. I can now take my disk. We're done. All that remains is to close Nero, unless of course we wish to burn something else. Let's run through the closing process. There are a few screens to go through. We click OK. We click Next. Do you wish to burn again? Start a new project. design a cover, or save this project. Maybe these are important files that you may wish to back up or burn again at a later time. Instead of going through the process again, you could save this project. I'm going to exit here. Do you wish to save? No. We're back to this screen. I'm exiting. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed.